How to track your DHL international package.
Hello, viewers. Today, we'll learn how to track the status of a DHL international package without any hiccups. Tracking your package ensures you're always informed about its whereabouts and estimated delivery time.
What do I need to start tracking?
Before diving into the process, ensure you have the following. 1. Tracking number. This is a unique series of numbers and sometimes letters provided to you when you send a package via DHL. 2. A device with internet access. This could be a computer, tablet, or smartphone.
How do I use the tracking number?
With your tracking number on hand. 1. Visit the official DHL website. 2. Look for the Tracking section or a similar label. 3. Enter the provided tracking number into the search or input box. 4. Click on the Track or Search button. Upon doing this, you should be presented with real-time information regarding the status, current location, and expected delivery date of your package.
What if I don't have a tracking number?
If you've lost or didn't receive a tracking number, 1. Contact the person or company who sent the package. They should have a record of the transaction and the associated tracking number. 2. If you're the sender and lost the tracking number, consult your receipt or transaction history. It's usually printed there. 3. Reach out to DHL customer service. They might be able to assist based on other information related to the shipment.
What information can I get from tracking?
By tracking your package, you can get current location of your package, estimated delivery date, possible delays or issues with the delivery, delivery attempts made by DHL. That wraps up our guide on how to track a DHL international package. Remember, staying informed about your package's status is crucial, especially for time-sensitive shipments. We hope this video was helpful. Safe shipping and happy tracking!